Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Instagram and confirming you're on the right account. This prevents changing the wrong profile. Once done, choose the photo source camera, gallery, or file import because composition affects how it crops. Tap your profile icon, then the Edit Profile button to begin. This gets you directly to the photo control. Make sure the image is high resolution and centered so Instagram's circular crop won't cut off important details. You'll now tap Change Profile Photo and pick from Library or Take Photo. This is where composition matters because Instagram crops to a circle. As you position the image, pinch to zoom and drag to frame your face or logo centrally. This ensures visibility in thumbnails. Once positioned, make small edits, increase brightness or contrast slightly, because subtle tweaks improve clarity on small screens. If you use filters, choose one that preserves natural tones so your profile stays recognizable. You finish by tapping Done or Save, then check your main profile and feed to confirm the new image displays as expected. Thumbnails show how others will see it. If the picture looks blurry, re-upload the original high-resolution file and make sure the app isn't compressing by clearing cache or using the web upload. If the change applied to the wrong account, switch accounts and repeat. And if uploads fail, check your connection and Instagram's permissions to access photos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.